So also, I'm sure that you're all excited to post photos and create content. We have here a flat lay table, and you can also do your swatch. Ito na talaga. The moment you have all been waiting for is finally happening. So, let me introduce with more than 20 years of experience in the entertainment industry under her belt, an amazing roster of international and local brand partnerships, a beauty and fashion icon in her own right. I am very honored to introduce the beautiful, the talented, Love Marie Paco Escudero.
Collaboration you can have with it? Is it going to be an eyeshadow palette, or is it going to be mascara?
If I can choose, I would definitely do the concealer for like a compact powder, because it's always nice to have a really nice fancy mirror powder. I think that would be something that I wouldn't mind.
So I'm very good DJ as well. You're a DJ, right?
Yes.
So, ano yung mapapayo mo dun sa mga young ones looking up to you or looking up to the radio DJs, how to be confident in speaking and sharing your mind?
You know what? It's really all about personality. Whether you're good with English or however you want to, if your energy is too high and sometimes people say it's exaggerated, because when I was growing up and I was a DJ, most of the time I said nonsense stuff, but I just kept going and going, kept on blabbering, and I guess that's the best way to practice. You just have to keep practicing, especially if you start really young. Just keep practicing with whoever, converse with people, expose yourself. I think it's important when you get invited to an event. It's always going to be awkward in the beginning, but just carry on and keep having a conversation with people, because it kind of develops your personality and your character, and that comes out with the way you pose, your confidence. You speak to somebody like a big person, like a boss of someone, that adds up to your confidence. So just keep conversing with people.
Are there any specific people who helped you with your confidence along the way?
My mom. My mom's really good. She speaks really well. She's very smart, and she's such a confident woman. Like she has a strong personality. So I think I got a lot of my the way I speak or the way I put things together. Her thought process, I think I got it from her.
Hi guys! So today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung collaboration ng L'Oreal Paris and ni Heart Evangelista or Love Marie. And it's the box right here, L'Oreal Paris x Love Marie. It is actually a collection of lipsticks. I got mine signed and I'm so lucky, extremely happy to be part of the launch. So thank you so much L'Oreal for the invite. And nakakatuwa actually pumunta sa mga launch, mga product launch guys, kasi you're able to see and know the inspiration or the story behind the products. So this is what the box looks like. You can actually buy the whole box, but I am so sorry guys, upon checking sa Lazada, available sa Lazada, sold out na daw yung full box na ganito kasi nga limited edition siya. But you can still buy yung mga individual lipsticks, which is this one right here. Actually, napakaganda, napaka-classic nung box na to. So, sana nakakuha kayo nito guys nung nakita nyo yung update ng L'Oreal or ni Heart and ng Lazada. So, let's take one out. So the packaging looks like this. Actually, yung buong packaging niya is inspired from this painting ni Heart Evangelista. If I'm not mistaken, hindi niya ito ginawa specifically for L'Oreal. I think matagal rin niya itong painting and then it was chosen to be part of the packaging. So the packaging looks like this, and honestly, isa to sa mga magagandang packaging ng lipsticks na nakita ko. It looks so sleek. It looks so social, so Heart Evangelista. And when you open it, here comes the lipstick. Pero ang napansin ko lang sa packaging is, akala ko dikit yung painting dun sa mismong packaging. Pero makikita mo na parang sticker lang siya. So, yeah. And then, itong mga color na to, guys, these are the colors na not specifically created, like originally created with Heart Evangelista, but these are, I think, existing colors na si Heart mismo ang parang pumili out of the thousands of colors na meron yung L'Oreal. Pumili siya doon, and then yun yung sinama niya sa collection na to. Okay, before I go to the swatches, one of the best things that I love about this collection, you guys, is it actually speaks about the different phases of a woman na pinagdadaanan ng isang babae. It speaks out women empowerment, supporting other women, and basically, you know, celebrating the lives of the women. And I am a low-key feminist, you guys. So anything na may ganung tema, susuportahan ko talaga ng bonggang-bongga kasi I'm all for women empowerment. I'm all for supporting each other, you know what I mean? So dun pa lang, nung sinabi ni Heart yun sa launch, parang nakuha na yung puso ko. Okay? Because these are not just, you know, lipsticks na makapaglabas lang sila ng collection ng lipsticks. I actually love na merong theme at pinag-isipan talaga yung parang meaning behind this collection. So, pupunta na tayo sa lip swatch kasi alam ko, yun naman talaga yung habol nyo. So, let's go! So, we have a total of 5 different colors, and magpapaka-honest na ako, guys. This is the first time na magkakaroon ako ng L'Oreal lipsticks. These are my first L'Oreal lipsticks. I know. You know why? Kasi honestly, namamahalan ako sa L'Oreal lipsticks. Kasi, di ba, sister company sila ng Maybelline. Maybelline is like the affordable side, and L'Oreal is the much more, you know, expensive side. Not super, but nag-enjoy na kasi ako sa Maybelline. So, every time I want or need a color, punta agad ako sa Maybelline. Hindi ako nagpapapunta sa L'Oreal. Kasi yung mga lipsticks nila is, what, 300 plus? I'm not sure about the exact prices. Iba-iba siguro yun per collection. Pero masasabi ko na, alam mo yun, pro Maybelline ako. So these are my first ever L'Oreal lipsticks. And it's worth $399 each. Well, 400. May napansin pala ako sa packaging, you guys. Kasi, ang ganda ng itsura niya, diba? Pero sticker siya, diba? And then, I think 2 of them, pag ginanon mo, parang, ayan na, lumalawit na yung lumalawit na yung sticker. Siguro careful na lang tayo. Parang hindi siya pang baragan. Parang hindi mo siya pwedeng iwan sa bag mo, tapos mag-jiggle-jiggle yung bag mo kung saan ka pupunta. Parang ito yung tipo ng lipstick na kailangan meron siyang sariling pocket dun sa bag mo. O kaya wag mo siyang isama sa kit mo kasi parang matadamage yung yung sticker. Kasi ito parang lumuluwag na siya. Kakakulit ko. Ayan. Ayan. Umangat na yung isang part. Why? Okay, so yun lang yung nakikita kong downside. Kailangan mo lang maging extra maingat doon sa, sa packaging. Okay. Eto, lip swatch na talaga tayo. So, unahin natin. So, first shade is 211 Spring Rosette. Nagaling ka lang yung lip balm ko. Beautiful. This is nice. This is perfect for everyday wear or pamasok sa office or pwedeng pang grocery din if you want. Ang lakas niyang maka-fresh, and parang hindi siya, it's creamy, it's comfortable sa lips, pero hindi siya yung super matte kasi may nakikita pa rin akong slight sheen to it. So hindi siya drying. Hindi siya drying sa labi. Mukha ka pa rin mo yun. Mukha ka pa rin fresh. Yeah, fresh. Next shade we're going to try is 247 Hinted Blush. These lipsticks are very pigmented, you guys. This one is also pink, pero mauve and merong brown undertone. Wait, pagtabihin natin si Spring Rosette. So this is Spring Rosette. And then beside is Hinted Blush. So magkaiba naman sila ng pink. This one is brighter. This one is a bit deeper na may parang brown undertone. And if you're gonna ask me which one is better, I think I like this better, yung Hinted Blush, definitely. Because I like it a little bit more warmer and a bit deeper. So again, this is Hinted Blush. Next shade na try natin is Rouge Porter, or sabi nga ni Heart, if you wanna be extra fancy, you can pronounce it Rouge Porter. So itabi muna natin siya dito. So this is Rouge Porter. So parang siyang burnt orange actually. Parang light burnt orange. Hindi siya red, hindi rin siya pink. It's like in the middle. Parang siyang halong a little bit of red, a little bit of orange, and a little bit of pink. This is a good lipstick for summer kasi parang siyang papaya-ish color. And lakas din niya maka-fresh, pero it's not my favorite shade out of the 5, to be completely honest. Pero feeling ko meron sa inyo yung talagang magugustuhan to, yung parang bagay na bagay talaga sa'yo yung, alam mo yun, yung lipstick. That we have is 298 Brick Planet. I'm so excited because I love anything na may salitang brick. Oh, look at that! So, it is a nude brown color, a deep nude brown color. Yes, girl! This, I like. I really love. I love anything na nude brown. Sabi ko sa inyo, I love anything na may salitang brick. So this is something I would definitely wear every day. Like this is an everyday color. Kasi, alam mo, may hint siya ng colors sa lips mo. Pero parang papasa pa siyang your lips, but better. So hindi ka yung parang sampal sa mukhang may lipstick. Alam mo yun? Yung good feeling. I love this one. It makes my lips a bit plumper. So it's a yes for me, Brick Planet. Last but not the least is 266 Pure Rouge, and this is probably a Heart Evangelista signature lip because we all know Heart Evangelista, lagi siyang naka-red lipstick. One of her favorite lip colors is red lipstick, so hindi na kasha. So, saan ka? Okay, dito ka. Oh my god. Okay, see that red though. My god, you guys, this is a power red lipstick. I'm pretty sure I have so many red lipsticks na. Pero alam mo, you can never have enough red lipsticks. Ang sarap magkaroon ng mga iba't ibang brand ng red lipsticks. And honestly, I can say that this is one of the best brands of red lipsticks that I have because it makes my teeth whiter. Oh. Ang lakas ng impact ng red na to. Like, hindi siya cheap red. Alam mo yung ganong feel. Like, it's a type of red lipstick na mukhang social. And feeling ko babagay to sa iba't ibang skin tone. Yes. So, you know, I don't mind having another red lipstick na kahit paano meron ka man lang 1% na pinagkapareha kay Heart Evangelista. I love this. I love this red. So again, this is Pure Rouge. Alright guys, so yun na lahat ng 5 shades ng L'Oreal Paris X Love Marie collection. And you can get this collection if you want to have the best of all the worlds. You can have a power red lipstick, you can have an everyday nude lipstick, a mauve, a deep pink, a bright summer color and then an everyday pink color. So, alam mo yan, parang nakikater niya lahat ng needs mo for everyday or for special occasion. Pero honestly, hindi lahat ito favorite ko. Siguro ang marirecommend ko lang ay 3 out of 5, which is the Hinted Blush, the Brick Planet, and yung Pure Rouge. Hinted Blush, the Brick Planet, and Pure Rouge. So, parang feeling ko okay lang hindi nyo na-getchingin yung Spring Rosette, which is this pink right here, and yung Rouge Porter, which is this one right here. Pero depende sa needs mo. Ako kasi parang happy na ako dito sa tatlo na to. And for $3.99, okay lang hindi mo kunin lahat kung wala ka namang budget. Pero kung may budget ka, if you're a fan of Heart Evangelista and fan ka rin ng L'Oreal makeup, why don't you, try to get all of them? Kasi limited edition lang naman yun. Pero kung ako ay bibili, I wouldn't get all of it. I'll just get yung top 3 choices ko. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'm going to link all the colors down below, yung link niya sa Lazada, so you can easily access it para gusto niyo bumili. All of my social media accounts ay nasa description box din, so please be sure to check it out, yung Instagram and Facebook page ko. And I also have Twitter. Yes, I do have Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!